whole year, selling mine, got the whole year. The whole year, selling mine, got the whole year. The whole year, selling mine, got the selling mine, got the whole year, guys. What's up, guys? This is your boy, LEX King Kunta.
And it's Malusi here, Bozonke, the Chuck Norris.
I wouldn't even say anything, guys.
This nigga's always hating black people. Anyway, guys, thank you very much on the review on the first video. Thank you very much for the likes, the comments, and the inboxes. Most of you were very happy with the video. Hopefully, it was helpful to everyone else who didn't comment it, but at least saw the video. And I don't know, man. We just trying to give out this helping hand, and we still get messages from people telling us we shouldn't be sharing such information. We killing the business. Whose business?
Yeah.
Isn't your business trading? Shouldn't you be trading? And it's not scamming people. I mean, and guys, you know, talking about these gurus and whatnot, do your research, please. Please do your research, guys. Don't be naive about this. Google, man, just go up on Google and Google forex. Find out more before you pay someone 20K for a platform and an indicator. Ask someone who's already into financial markets. Ask them about this thing. Call your recognized broker. They give out free basic information about trading before you give away a lot of money. Guys, don't be paying for platforms. That thing is for free. That thing is for free. Don't pay for indicators. They come with the platform. MQL4 has already done this thing for us. Okay? So please, it's very heartbreaking how a lot of people are being exploited out there because of this thing. And it's killing the authenticity of the forex market. And it's really pissing me off. That is why I'm opening an institution.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
I'm not going to cry. I want to kill. Okay, guys, back to business.
Yeah.
We're going to get deeper today, a little deeper on support and resistance. It's a strong tool, guys. So why not give it away for free, man? So you guys can take advantage of this and use it as much as you can. I know not a lot of people are exposing such information. So we're gonna get into support and resistance. It's a tool that everyone does differently. Most traders do it their own way. All traders do it their own way. Yeah. We're gonna share with you how SRB does support and resistance and how it has profited from us. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you learn from this, and I hope it helps. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, one of the most important things that you need to know when trying to identify support and resistance is understanding support and resistance. Support and resistance are key levels or levels where prices are sensitive to. So these are levels where price will retest, meaning it will come back continuously to that level and eventually break a level. So these are levels that where prices will attract or reject. So you need to be able to put this concept in your head before trying to implement the tool. So the first thing you need to identify, guys, is the first thing you need to use basically is time frames. Use time frames to your advantage. This is very important. Now, like I said, these are levels where prices will be rejected or attracted. So meaning if you use a bigger time frame, you're looking at a level that has rejected prices at a bigger scale. If you're looking at a smaller time frame, you're looking at a level where price has been rejected at a smaller scale. That is why sometimes you do your analysis, you do your support and resistance on a smaller time frame, but your major resistance or major support is easily broken because it's a smaller time frame. You can only hold out for a short period of time. But King Kuta is going to illustrate more on what I'm saying using the chart. So
yes, guys, time frames are very important. So right now, I'll be plotting my support and resistance based on my higher time frame, which is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, just placing my lines. It's more simpler like this. It's more simpler compared to when you have to place them on a smaller time frame. When I place them like this, guys, as you can see, I have direction. I see where the market is going. It is more simpler for me. But now, let's say you're using a smaller time frame to plot your support and resistances. You will see your chart will be clustered. Okay, this is a smaller time frame, guys. So we're plotting my support and resistance. And use this one, use that one, use this one. Use that one. Because there's so much going on a smaller time frame. Use that one. So eventually when you zoom out to the H1, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of support and resistance. There's so much movement in terms of your chart is too clustered. So keep it simple, guys. Use a higher time frame to actually use a support and resistance.
Okay, guys, another important fact that you also need to look at is how sensitive is your level. How sensitive are the levels that you have identified on your chart? Price sensitivity is important because remember, we're talking about levels where prices keep coming back. So you need to be able to use this in your trades. So you need looking for a level that has become support, probably broken, then became resistance. So that's a sensitive level. That's a sensitive price point, meaning that's a point where prices are likely to come back to, which will probably give you an opportunity to enter a trade. So you're looking at how many times was this level retested, retested, retested. How sensitive is this level? So it's very, very important that you are able to identify this, and King Kunta is going to illustrate how you do it.
Yes, guys, talking about price sensitivity, plotting from our left-hand side. Price sensitivity. I'm plotting right now, guys, my resistance based on what I've seen on the chart right now. As you can see, guys, look at this price sensitivity. It touched the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. That shows price sensitivity to that level. The market dropped, it came back, guys, to this level. Look at that candle. The first one touched, the second one, the third one, the fourth one touched. On the fifth time, guys, look at that. It broke through. Support becomes resistance. Look at that, guys. It came back to that same level. And what did it do? It started to drop again. The last one, guys, before we proceed. Market dropped. Look at that, guys. Boom, boom, broke through. Support becomes resistance. It didn't break through as first, guys. Look at that. Then it came back. It couldn't break again because our resistance became support. So this shows price sensitivity. So let's move on to the next topic.
Okay, guys. If you notice that all these things are complementing each other, first we're going to talk about the time frame. Time frame identifying levels that are going to hold that much longer. Then we talk about sensitivity. We're talking about levels that are going to attract the market over and over, reject the market over and over. Levels that where the market will play around a lot of times. Now, all these things are also going to complement the coming one, which is the strength of the level. Now, when we're talking about the strength of the level, we're talking about how long or how many times did it hold out before it broke. So in this topic here, we're talking about your major and minor support and resistance levels. So for example, if you're looking at a major resistance, so you're looking at a level that has deflected the market way longer, or you're looking at a level where the market has been rejected over and over and was able to hold. So this is a level where it becomes sensitive in the future, but it's still able to hold out its position. But King Kunta is going to explain more on it, on how you can use it to your advantage in your trading.
All right, mate. Let's talk about the strength of the levels. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, back to business. Strength of the levels, guys. Remember, we plotted our support, resistances, looking historically, right? So I'm just going to highlight with this block here. Look at this. It was respected, right? You can also use this level to show the respect. or the strength of the levels. Yes, even here, guys. So remember, we broke through. If we broke through, what is this line now? This line is going to be our resistance. So you can see, guys, it came back, touched, went back down. What happened? Came back, touched, went back down. It shows the strength of that level. In future, guys, what happened? It touched, came back down again, and it broke through finally. And what happened? What happened to our support? What happened here to our resistance? Our resistance became what? Support, as you can see here, guys. This shows price strength or the level of strength. Look at that. Looking historically, looking into the future. Look at that. The last one, guys. Look at that. You see how important it is, guys, to understand your levels in terms of this level is strong enough. Look at that. Just to show you. I hope you understand that one, guys.
Okay, guys, now that we have given you at least three points that you need to look at when trying to identify your support and resistance, hopefully it will be helpful to you guys in terms of identifying this thing. Remember, your time frame, the bigger the time frame, the better the level. Price sensitivity, you're looking for a level where prices are most likely to come back to. Strength of the level, you're looking at a level that will be able to hold out longer.
Yeah. So just to add on that, guys, if you want to remember these three, it's TPS. Take profit and squat.
That's your King Kunta, guys. That's your King Kunta. So, guys, I know you probably, you want to...
Yeah, so let me say now, I want to ask you a question in terms of, I want to identify my support and resistance. What do I use? Do I use my weight? Do I use my body? What do I use?
Okay, that's a very, very interesting question. Yeah. I know every time you try to identify your level, you tend to ask yourself this question. What am I looking for? Am I looking at a level where the body has hit or just the weight? You're looking for a level where prices have reached. Okay. So let's understand what a wick is. A wick is a level where a price was there and then got rejected. Mm-hmm. So if you have a level, a sensitive level, for example, let's look at where with this level right here.
Can you please just zoom in?
Okay. Just go back a bit.
That's fine. You can move that one. I don't think you can. Yeah.
All right. Let's just look at this resistance right quick. Okay. This resistance here, this wick did not necessarily touch the line, the level itself, but it's a sensitive area, meaning that your resistance or support line can become an actual zone. Basically, as Kunta has highlighted here, this entire zone that is highlighted here is a sensitive area. So be it your body, be it your wick, as long as prices were able to reach that level, it is good enough to become your support or your resistance.
Yeah, just to add on that also, guys, if we go to the right, as you can see, price has been rejected so many times with wicks, but also look at the body. The body couldn't penetrate the line. So that says something also. If the body can't penetrate the line, it means it is still a strong, sensitive area.
Adding to that topic of the strength of the level, this level was able to withhold its ground for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's a lot.
Continuously. And then even if you do go to the future, this very same line, this very same sensitive line became an attraction to the market. The market came back to that level. So this is how you'll be able to use this to your advantage when you identify a line where be it as a support or a resistance. And I know you're probably asking yourself, but after identifying these lines, how do I trade them? Yeah. What am I looking for? How do I enter? First of all, history will always repeat itself. The market will come back to those lines. So you're looking for your bounce, you're looking for your rejection, you're looking for a more aggressive move.
Yeah. Because there are times whereby, okay, I can just use this example. Market came down. Look at that. That is a strong move up, guys. It shows that there is price sensitivity on this level. So when he talks about that aggressive move, he's talking about that type of move.
Also from this level, when it went up, it retested this resistance. Went back down to regain momentum, came back to break through. So it actually broke the level. Now think of it this way. This is how support and resistance I view it. If I'm using an illustration of trying to break a glass, a very strong glass, the first hit you throw will crack the glass. The second one will break the glass. Always think of it that way. The market will test the level, retest the level until it's able to break a level. Yes. That is why levels will always be sensitive.
That's true. That's true.
So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Hopefully you had fun, and hopefully you make a lot of profit and stop giving gurus your money. Guys, forex is not all depressing. Yes, I know it's charts. They're scary when you're far, but this is actually fun. Have fun with your charts. Have fun. Forex is fun. You should ask my team. You should ask all the SRB members, man. Everyone is
fun, man, all the time.
Yeah, you find people confessing things like forex is fun. I couldn't say this months ago because now you understand what exactly it is that you're doing. It is not so complicated. You don't need all those complicated things on your charts for you to actually profit.
Yeah, so guys, don't forget, you can highlight us, inbox us, follow us on Instagram. We're there. Don't worry, guys. We are free people. You can ask us any question. Remember, there's no stupid question.
There's no stupid. Well, there are, but
don't be asking me about a pip.
Yeah, don't be asking you about a pip. Yeah,
don't.
It's annoying.
What is the signal, man?
What is that?
I don't know. Don't be telling me to send you signals.
Network signal.
Anyways, guys.
Yeah, do your research, have fun with it, guys, and yeah, you can always find us on Malusi Maluleka on Facebook and the King Kunta. On Instagram, it's also Malusi Maluleka.
Instagram is NDX.
Hit it up anytime, anything.
Yeah.
Just in case you're thinking of giving that guru that 40K, bring it here. Have fun, guys, and make profits. Social. SRB, guys. For Zonke.
Yo,